Hi guys, it's me, and I am going to be doing a video on my fidgets. So right here is my first fidget I got. It's a yellow puppet, as you can see. It's always going to be my favorite. So I ain't going to trade that ever. And then I got some monkey noodles. I think I could make some trades with those. Here's the monkey noodle. I think, whatever. I'm trying. No, I'll do this. I'll do this. I'll set it up over the box a bit. Or never. I can't show that. And then I got this big pop tube. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the pop tube. I like it. And then I got another poppet back here. It is a bat poppet. I might trade it, but I don't know about it. And yeah, I think that's all my fidgets. So hope you guys like this video, subscribe, and post notifications on. Click that bell icon so that way you don't miss any of my new videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.